Texas on the Lexus, everything bigger in Texas.
Face to face with it, can't be beefing through no FaceTime. Girther for your waistline.
I'm so indecisive, you can cuff me, but I'm wifey. I just want a nigga who gon' slurp me like a icy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by today's title and as far as the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing this look for y'all. This look is inspired by Eric and Tay. I did do like a Halloween makeup look. It looks a little messed up now because I tried to take pictures. I didn't get any pictures, so I'm gonna insert some clips from Snapchat for y'all so y'all can see what it looks like. If you want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna start off with one of my wigs I already have. So it was already cut into bangs, so that's why I decided to just do this. As y'all can see, it got product in it. The bangs is looking crusty, honey, so we gonna go ahead and wash it. It is a 13x6 unit. I believe I did a video over this wig when I first got it. It's somewhere on my channel. If y'all are interested, I just link that down in the description box below. So this is what the inside look like, and I'm about to just show you guys how I wash it. Put in a little, y'all know how to wash a wig. I hope so. It's just like washing your hair, being a little bit more gentle. I really don't care about this wig like that. I've had it for over a year now, so I'm just this video sped up, so I'm not really doing it that hard. But make sure you get all that product out. Okay, hold on, somebody's calling me. This wig is already cut. I'm just aligning where I need, like pretty much just taking out pieces of hair that I want out for the bang and pushing back whatever hair that I don't want to be out since it's already cut. So of course y'all steps might be different if you don't already have a bang wig, if you're trying to do this look. But here I'm just taking out like the edges of the unit, and I'm using the hot comb. Y'all can see the smoke. Baby, this hot comb gets hot. Okay, so I'm just hot combing the hair backwards because it's going to go into a ponytail. So I'm just hot combing it, and then after this we're just going to go ahead and start straightening the hair. Yeah. after we're done straightening it, we're gonna try to put it up in a ponytail. Y'all, this was so hard for me to do. I probably should have just did it on my head, but I like styling all my wigs on the mannequin head. I don't know, usually it's more easier that way, so I can really see what's going on, how the back looks, like everything like that. And this was gonna be like a glueless install, so yeah, I never did a glueless install with a ponytail. But anyway, so I'm just putting this all up in a ponytail and using some hold spray just to slick it up a bit. And I just used some rubber bands. I already knew this is not like a full lace wig. Like I said, it's a 13x6 wig, so I already knew the back was it wasn't gonna be like the best, but you know, this is for the video. So if you got a full lace wig, you know, it'll be easier for you to do this. So yeah, but here I'm just taking out a strand of the hair to wrap around the ponytail band or the rubber band, so it won't show, you know, give that like fox ponytail look. And I just sprayed it with some got-to-be spray, and I'm just swooping it on around just like this. It's super simple. Like I said, I feel like this is a beginner friendly video. I mean, if you know how to cut bangs, I do have a video on how to cut fringe bangs, so y'all can also look at that. I'm gonna try to link it up here in the right corner so y'all can see. Just like click on it whenever you're done with this video, so take a look at that one on how to make fringe bangs. So yeah, so I'm just gonna comb this ponytail out, and it looks super cute like this. Honestly, I liked how it looks straight, but you know, he had like some curls going on. So I don't recommend using this big old flat iron for some bangs, because it was a little bit of a struggle, but I'm used to doing it because I'm a little lazy to plug up my other straightener. But yeah, so I'm just straightening out my bangs, and if you can see in the corner, y'all see the little video playing of how her hair looks. Yeah, so you know, that's what we're going for. So I'm just straightening out the bangs, and I'm gonna end up curling the sides of the bangs. Oh, well, just kidding, we're going straight jump into the ponytail. So I'm curling the ponytail and I'm just pinning it up, just because this was like a 2-day process. So now we're gonna jump into the makeup. So I am just you know, cleaning up my brows a little bit. I always arch my own eyebrows. I never get them done. I've only gotten them done like once in my life, so I'm just using the razor to do that. We're gonna use the Anastasia Dip Brow and the ELF eyebrow pencil, and these are the shades that I'm using. This is the BH, this is the BH Cosmetics. I'm using the BH Cosmetics palette and a Morphe palette, and just all the oranges that they have, like the deep oranges, and I'm just going to combine them all. So, and then we're going to add this as the eye base. So I've used this before, but it's been a while, and I know it works pretty good, so I do recommend it. I should have packed some more white on, just because I wanted it to be super vibrant and bold, but I just did one layer of white. And I tried to go for like a light eyebrow look, y'all. I mean, it's cute or whatever. My eyebrows really wasn't going to show because of my my bangs, so it is what it is. But we're gonna go in with that orange, and we're just packing that on until it gets like, you know, somewhat vibrant and pigmented. So yeah, I'm just packing that on, and then I'm going to take another brush. This is a different brush, and I'm just kind of like blending that outward so it's not super harsh, with a lighter color orange, like an orangish yellow color. So as you can see, I'm just going to be repeating these steps, so it's kind of flowing into like a yellow orange, if y'all can see that. And yeah, and then I'm just going to do the other eye as well, the same exact way. So I did this eye, like I said, the same way. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I did the other eye off camera. And I'm doing the Lancome. This is my favorite foundation. And I use a brush to do my foundation. I used to do a sponge. I might switch back. I don't know. But I've been doing a brush for a few years now. But yeah, so we're just going to cover my face, do my concealer, and do my whole face and everything like that. So my phone did end up dying. So I didn't get everything. I do look super crazy, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I do look crazy. So just ignore that. It's gonna all come together. But so to get this glossy look, all I did was use the NYX butter lip gloss in the orange, whatever the orange color is called. I can't really remember. I'll list it down below, and I applied it with this little brush you see me doing here, and just to get that glossy effect. And then for my waterline, I used a white pencil, and then I went over with a green I think it's by Kat Von D. No, it's Urban Decay, a green eyeliner by Urban Decay. And I put that in my bottom liner to give it like a super light green. It's showing up like kind of white on here, like I don't know. But it's like it's supposed to be like a pastel looking green. Going for like a pumpkin look, you know, Halloween. And I will say, before y'all put the gloss, this is the mistake I made. Before y'all put the gloss on your lids, make sure you do your you know, if you want an eyeliner, make sure y'all do that first, because my lashes kept coming off and it wasn't sticking. So yeah, we're propping a wig on. As y'all can see, it already looks like scalp, really. Like I didn't really have to do much. This is one of my favorite wigs. But yeah, so we're just gonna tape down the sides, the sideburns. Not tape it down, but you know, use the Got2b spray for the sideburns, and that's pretty much it. I didn't glue anywhere else because I was taking this wig off after this video. So I'm spraying that on. If y'all want to get a more detailed video of me doing this spray method, just watch my other hair videos. I install my wigs differently almost every single time, y'all. Like there's just different techniques out there depending on where I'm going, stuff like that. That's what I do the technique for. So this works really well. And I wanted it glueless, of course, so this worked out perfect for me. So yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and just spray that on, blow dry it. I'm gonna do both sides this way, and yeah. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. It took me forever to get here. Honestly, I feel like I did a really good job. I just need to put some layers in it so it can be like a little bit more higher and flowy, but I'm not gonna keep this wig like this, so I'm not gonna put layers in it. Y'all, so this wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys do like how the outcome of this makeup look. If you do, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Hey, oh yeah, mellow. Hey, oh yeah, mellow. Hey, oh yeah, mellow.